everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you an easy way to unlock the Green Touch achievement in Heartopia. So Heartopia has a achievement that called Green Touch, and in here it's really simple to get it. To unlock it, you just need to level up your gardening hobby until it reaches level 10. It's so simple. So just skip to the gardening, and then just skip to the activities, to the gardening hobby, and then next just keep increase your level until it reaches level 10 like this. And after that, until you reach level 10 like this, you will unlock this Green Touch achievement. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.